How to log out of Binance app account. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will be guiding you through on how you can log out of the Binance app account. So if you're wondering how you can do it, it is super easy. You just need to follow the steps that I'm showing on my screen right now. So first of all, head over and open up the Binance app and make sure you're logged in into your account. After you're successfully logged in, you will be seeing the Binance dashboard on your screen. So in order to log out, you can find this Binance logo at the top left corner of your screen. Just tap on it, and after tapping on it, you will be finding your account and your user ID. So you're just gonna go ahead and tap on your user ID. When you tap on it, you can easily find this logout and switch account option. So if you want to log out, just tap on log out and then you are logged out successfully. So that is how you log out of your Binance account, or let's say sign out of your Binance account very easily. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video. And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to get updated about our latest videos. And also post comments if you have any questions regarding it, and I will see you in the next one.